In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can half swipe a message here on Snapchat, no matter what device you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to preview a message without fully opening it, this is going to work for you. Obviously, start by having Snapchat open up, and you're going to originally land on the camera screen. Just either tap the chat icon or just swipe over to the left, and you'll see all of your conversations. And this is going to work for text messages, snaps, group chats, whatever it might be. And to half swipe, essentially find whatever chat you're trying to look at, and go ahead and just like click on their profile picture, but don't hold down, otherwise it's going to pull up a picture that looks like this. Essentially, just go ahead and grab it and lightly slide over, and you're going to be able to see that chat just like so. You can pretty much slide all the way over as long as it doesn't fully go over. Just make sure that you don't swipe too fast, that you don't tap directly on the message, and of course that you don't hold too long without sliding. But as you can see, we are literally half swiping right now. If done correctly, it's going to look like this. You can obviously slide further to read more. You can pretty much get it all the way to the very end, but it really is as simple as that. Just make sure once again you don't fully release it into the chat, and it won't mark it as opened. But if you swipe too far in release, it will fully open the message. So keep your movement controlled, and that is how you can half swipe here on Snapchat. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.